Are you ready to see a total solar eclipse? Totality by Big Kid Science is the app that you'll need. Press Start to open the map for the 2024 eclipse, the next total solar eclipse in the United States. Or choose the map for another upcoming eclipse, including the 2023 annular eclipse that will also be visible in the United States. For your chosen eclipse map, the shaded path shows where it will be possible to see totality or annularity. The wider borders show the region in which a partial eclipse will be visible. You can zoom or scroll to choose any location, then tap to learn what you'll see on eclipse day at that location. For your selected location, the top of the box will tell you whether you'll see a total, annular, or partial eclipse. For a total or annular eclipse, it will tell you how long totality or annularity will last. You can slide the box out of the way to zoom or scroll further, and bring it back up with a press and hold. Or you can tap a new location. If the location has only a partial eclipse, it will tell you the percentage of the sun that will be covered by the moon. The diagram shows approximately what this will look like. And you'll see the times at which the eclipse will begin, reach maximum or totality, and end for this location. Tap Details for further information, which is explained on the help screen. Tap Directions to open your map software for driving directions to your chosen location. The icon at the lower right gives you additional options. The first shows you the nearest point to your current location that is on the center line of the path of totality or annularity. Longest eclipse shows you the place where totality or annularity will last the longest. My location shows what you'll see at your current location. Or you can type a specific location into the search box. Tap the top left menu icon to find more, including the Learn screen, where you can learn how to view an eclipse safely, learn about eclipse science, find classroom activities, and more. Use the Shop screen to order eclipse glasses for safe viewing, or the great books from Big Kid Science, including the children's book Totality, designed to accompany this app, or to learn about or donate to our favorite space educational nonprofits. Finally, while the Totality app is totally free, it is based on Eclipse code developed over many years by Xavier Hubier. We hope you'll use the donate button to support Xavier's ongoing work, or purchase books to help support continued science outreach efforts by Big Kid Science.